Guys, let's talk about cypress essential oil. I personally love cypress. I love the aroma of cypress. I love to use it. I love the feel on my skin of cypress. I'm not so much the florally type. I don't like, heavy scents. I'm not even too much into spicy, but I really like the fresh scent of cypress. I like when something smells just like woods and trees and, fresh air and scents that are more spacious. And cypress definitely is an aroma that feels spacious to me. And yeah, it's described as clean, fresh, woody, herbaceous, and that's I think that's a perfect description actually. It smells a little bit like water to me, which might sound weird, but when I do diffuser blends that are supposed to remind me of the sea or of a lake, something like that, I always add a little bit of cypress. And not surprisingly, cypress is an oil that keeps, emotions and energies flowing. It's when you're in a state of feeling rigid or unflexible, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling like something is balled up inside of you and you wanted to get out there, you have to have movement of an emotion or an energy, then cypress is a great oil. So that's why I personally think of cypress as, a river, a lake, the ocean in a bottle, something where water is moving in a bottle. And interestingly, when you put it onto a physical level, when you want, things to move in your body, of course, you grab your cypress. So if you put it onto your muscles after workout, just, with some carrier oil, like a fractionated coconut oil, for example, and you massage it into your muscle groups, or you blend it even before a workout, maybe blend it with grapefruit or something citrusy, which keeps, fluids in your body in motion. That's just perfect. And it feels so good. It's refreshing and calming at the same time, which I really love. It's uplifting when you use it in a diffuser. As I said, I make my, ocean blends with it. Then for skincare, if there's oily skin, and again, everything that you feel like, or your face feels a little bit puffy, you can make something like a toner with cypress oil. You could use witch hazel or some hydrolates, something that's a good base for your toner, or even some water, actually, if you don't have anything else on hand, and spray it on, or put it into your cleanser, put it into your moisturizer, for example. And if you know techniques to, keep your lymphs going, that's a perfect combination. It's not only flowing, but here on the slide, it says it's grounding. It's grounding and stimulating at the same time. But keep in mind, again, I'm circling back, keep in mind to everything where you want to have the energy of movement in there. And this can be, you want to move out of a situation, you want to move out of an emotion. It's not that it's dragging you away from emotion, but it's helping you move through it. If you want to be like a river, going around the rocks of life, then cypress is a perfect companion. So I'm excited to know how you use cypress, and if you just like it as much as I do, let me know in the comments and have fun with it. Just play around with it.